Alright, so I got this fireplace. I'm going to tile on the base here. Everything is prepped, ready to go. I ripped up all the old stuff and I mortared down this 1/4 inch hardy board. Everything's rock solid. Before I tile this, since this stuff is real thirsty, I'm going to take some aqua defense over there and paint one coat on this whole thing. That way I have more working time with the mortar. So that's where I'm at. Well, I'm going to wash it down with a sponge first, make sure it's dust free, then paint the membrane on it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today I'm tiling this fireplace base here, okay? I have my board down, everything is prepped like I was telling you. Now I'm just going to be adding my aqua defense, and this just helps with working time with the mortar because the cement board is very thirsty. So I put one coat of that on there, and also helps with crack isolation. So the rest of this video is going to be me installing it. It's a marble, rectified marble, and a herringbone on this fireplace. It's a very time consuming type of install. So I'm pretty much going to be time lapsing through the whole thing here and then showing what it looks like at the end. But this right here alone, just a towel, I think it took me about 2 days or so with all the cuts and whatnot. You got marble, you got herringbone, and you got all these angles here. So it definitely took some time, but it came out great. Client loves it. So that's that. I hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned all the way to the end. I'll show you what it looks like at the finish.